Unlock the secrets of the U.S. Treasury's finances with just a few clicks. Fiscal Data's APIs are your key to a treasure trove of real-time financial data, allowing you to use our data to conduct your own analyses. Ready to get started? Begin with our user-friendly API documentation page that defines datasets and APIs and helps you learn about the general structure of an API call. Let's break down how to request an API so you can start your own custom analysis. First, visit our dataset search page. Use our search function to select the data you're interested in. Let's say you're interested in the operating cash balance data in the daily treasury statement dataset. Here's how you make your request. Click the API Quick Guide tab in the Dataset navigation bar. This will take you to the base URL that you will enter into your web browser to call this dataset's API. In this case, enter the following code shown on the screen. Beneath the base URL are the endpoints to complete your API call. Select the endpoint for the data you'd like to see and add that URL endpoint to the base URL already in your browser. Press enter and watch as the data you requested instantly appears. Begin your journey with Fiscal Data's APIs today and bring the power of real-time financial data to your fingertips.